We call our planet Earth, but perhaps a more fitting name would be ocean, for it is the ocean that dominates our planet, covering over 70% of its surface. But the ocean is more than just a vast expanse of water. It is a realm of mystery and wonder, a three-dimensional world teeming with life. In fact, the ocean contains 99% of the living space on Earth. From the sunlit surface waters to the dark, abyssal depths, the ocean is home to a staggering diversity of life. It's a realm of giants and dwarfs, of predators and prey, of creatures that glow in the dark, and others that can withstand crushing pressures. Yet despite its vastness, the ocean remains largely unexplored. We know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the depths of our own planet's oceans.